What's up, people? This is Kevin at Cross Culture Christian in the Cross Culture Kitchen. About to make you some curry. It's gonna be amazing. Ingredients.
Wow!
So we're ready to go. I have a pot. I'm gonna use these ghee. It's actually ghee. It's clarified butter. If you're allergic to dairy, if you eat this, you will literally die. Put that. I got the onions. Put it into the ghee. And I'm gonna take this ginger garlic stuff. I basically used ginger and garlic to make a little paste, and then I put it inside the onions, and then I mix and I mix and I mix. The butter chicken masala. Masala is basically a spice blend. Honestly, this is the difference maker between different types of curries. So it's a nice little concoction and symphony of so many different spices, all fried and toasted and crushed and blended and mixed together to form this beautiful orchestra of flavors. Put it in the thing like a lot. Now I'm gonna take chili into this thing. Take some cumin powder, nicely, like so. Coriander powder. You can find this in any stores that's filled with brown people. Chili powder. That's good. Otherwise, you will die. I'm gonna add the tomatoes. Come close. See the beauties. It's the reason why you do this is because you want to get some sort of a gravy situation. So this is nice. We're gonna let this reduce, and it's gonna be awesome. Now take all this chicken, everything inside this pot of glorious emotions and feelings, and then you mix it. Sure, come close. And we're gonna kind of put it on medium to high heat.
Many months later.
This is so nice. It's now almost ready. It's still not complete though. You need to put some cocoa nuts. So we're gonna take this coconut milk, pour it nice. Put that just enough. So put some limes just to get the flavors all excited. Look at that. It's great. I don't know how to do these cooking video things. I mean, it's just great. Everything's good. We have an awesome assistant, you know, great. Yeah, next thing is we're gonna try it. How is it?
So flavorful.
Still flavorful? Moist. Leave a comment below if you like that word moist. I don't have an issue with it, but some people do. It is so good.
Bam! Get in my tummy! My belly.
Okay, I gotta go. I'm actually leaving to California in like less than an hour. I haven't even dressed up, so I'm gonna pack and go. But I need to eat this food. Okay, so look at that. Plate of food. Ashok, film me. I want to eat this thing. Moment of truth.
I love how you're eating this with ginger beer. It's gonna make it even spicier.
I'm telling you.
With extra ginger.
Perfect combo. I mean, I love the color. Ah, very nice. Okay, let's see.
You pray for your food.
Thank you, Jesus, for amazing food and amazing fellowship. Amen. All right. Wow. This is so good. Like, I don't understand. Like, Jesus and I need to have a conversation in heaven about chicken. Wow, Kevin, you're so good. And
Wow, the man eating the chicken sounds like a chicken.
Those hot. Wow. Alright guys, this is Kevin at Cross Culture Christian, helping you bridge the gap between your life and the good life. Take care and God bless.
It's hot in multiple ways. I'm trying to take a white brother out. Alright.